In the merry month of June, when first from home I started and left the girls alone, sad and broken-hearted, shook hands with father dear, kissed my darling mother, drank a pint of beer, my tears and grief to smother, then off to reap the corn and leave where I was born. I cut a stout blackthorn to banish ghosts or goblins, with a pair of brand new brogues I rattled o'er the bogs. Sure, I frightened all the dogs on the rocky road to Dublin, for it is the rocky road. Here's the road to Dublin, here's the rocky road, now fire away to Dublin. The steam coach was at hand, the driver said he'd cheap ones, but sure the luggage van was too much for my halfpence. For England I was bound, it would never do to balk it, for every step of the road, bedad, says I'll walk it. I did not sign or moan until I saw Athlone, a pain in my shin bone set my heart a-bubbling, and fearing the big cannon, looking o'er the Shannon, I very quickly ran on the rocky road to Dublin, for it is the rocky road. Here's the road to Dublin, here's the rocky road, now fire away to Dublin. In Mullingar that night I rested, limbs so weary, started by daylight with spirits light and airy, took a drop of the pure to keep my stirrups from sinking. That so is an Irishman's cure whenever he's troubled with thinking. To see the lasses smile, laughing all the while at me comical style, set my heart a-bubbling. They asked if I was hired, the wages I required, until I was almost tired of the rocky road to Dublin, for it is the rocky road. Here's the road to Dublin, here's the rocky road, now fire away to Dublin. In Dublin next arrived, I thought it was a pity to be so soon deprived of a view of that fine city. 'Twas then I took a stroll all among the quality, my bundle then was stole in a neat locality. Something crossed my mind, thinks I looked behind, no bundle could I find, upon my stick a-wobbling, inquiring for the rogue, they said my Connaught brogue wasn't much in vogue on the rocky road to Dublin, for it is the rocky road. Here's the road to Dublin, here's the rocky road, now fire away to Dublin. A coachman raised his hand, as if myself was wanting. I went up to a stand, full of cars for jaunting. Step up, my boy, says he, that I will with pleasure, and to the strawberry beds I drive you at your leisure. A strawberry bed, says I, faith it would be too high, on one of straw I lie, and the berries won't be troubling. He drove me out as far upon an outside car, faith such a jolting never was on the rocky road to Dublin, for it is the rocky road. Here's the road to Dublin, here's the rocky road, now fire away to Dublin. I soon got out of that, my spirits never failing. I landed on the quays just as the ship was sailing. The captain at me roared, swore that no room had he, but when I leaped on board, they a cabin found for Paddy. Down among the pigs I played some rummy rigs, danced some hearty jigs with the water round me bubbling. But when off Holyhead I wish that I was dead, or safely put in bed on the rocky road to Dublin, for it is the rocky road. Here's the road to Dublin, here's the rocky road, now fire away to Dublin. The boys in Liverpool, when in the dock I landed, called myself a fool, I could no longer stand it. My blood began to boil, my temper I was losing, and poor old Erin's Isle they all began abusing. Hoorah, my boy, says I, my shilling